cheesy, oh.
We're gonna cook spaghetti. So we already cooked the pasta. Now we're going to cook the sauce. Are you gonna cook spaghetti? He's gonna cook spaghetti. So these ingredients: Filipino hot dog, the red hot dog. Then we have onion and garlic. So na. Beef, the carrots and bell pepper. I'm gonna fry the hot dog first. Fry. Shit.
Bango!
Smells good.
Smells so good. So delicious.
The hot dog is already cooked, so we're going to set aside the hot dog, and then we're gonna cook the sauce. Set aside. Red hot dog, the Filipino hot dog. Because we're going to cook the Filipino spaghetti. They're juicy. That is the tomato sauce. We're going to use the Filipino style tomato sauce. Going to cook the sauce now. So garlic first. Once the garlic is golden brown, then put the onions. Haluin mo yung garlic. Smells good.
Bango? Bango! Nakakatakam na yun.
Gutom na si Van.
Gutom na ako, Nay.
Getting hungry now. Now, the onions.
Ano tawag dito?
Saute.
Purple onions?
Red onions.
Uy, sumarap na naman.
Bango!
Mas bumango. Mas bumango siya. Nadagdagan ng red onions.
Looks good. The onion is already cooked. Now we're gonna add the ground beef. Okay. Ground beef. Ooh, now we're gonna add salt and pepper. Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Salt.
Lagyan mo siya sa kamay mo para okay, pwede na.
Pepper.
Flavor siya. Lagyan mo. Masarap, mas marami. Ano na nalabas? Yeah. Okay. Mix.
To mix it up.
mix. Then mix it up. Let's cook the ground beef first, and then we're gonna add the carrots and the bell pepper. Make sure the beef is cooked first. Let us put the cover. Let's cook the beef first, and then we're gonna add those veggies in the hot dog. Let it cook for maybe around 5 to 10 minutes. Let's check the beef. Okay, beef is already cooked, so we're gonna add the veggie now. Carrots and bell pepper. Ilagay mo na yung carrots at bell pepper. Bango, ano? Bell pepper. Yeah. Mix. Mix. Yan, papasarap na. Sikreto. Sarap na yan. Bango na. Mabango na. Nakakatakam na. Nakakatakam na. Okay, let it simmer for 3 more minutes. Put the cover. Let's cook the carrots and bell pepper for 3 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna put the tomato sauce. Oh no, the hot dog first. Hot dog. The red hot dog. Mix. Now we're gonna add the Filipino style tomato sauce. Spaghetti sauce. Monte. Okay. Spaghetti mo maigi. Bigyan mo kayo water. Tumatak ha. Yun. Nice. Mix. Oh my goodness. Tapos lagay yung banana ketchup. Lahat. Mix. Okay, put the cover for let us simmer for another 2 minutes, and then it's ready. After 2 minutes, our sauce is ready. Now it's ready to serve. Okay, we got the pasta. Let's put some sauce. Okay. Some spaghetti sauce. Our own version of Filipino spaghetti. Wow. It's hot.
Wow.
So hot.
Wow, hot.
Bago luto.
Hotdog.
Hotdog. Lagyan mo dyan. Let's put some cheese on it. Come on. Nanay's making some cheese.
Nanay.
Wow, cheese on.
Wow. Ito yung queso, Nay.
Tapos So cheesy.
So, kung maraming cheese. Ayan.
That's so cheesy. Okay.
Cheesy lisus. So, okay, let's...
Okay?
Okay na yan, Nay. Let's mix it a little bit.
Ah.
So cheesy, oh.
Gosh.
Hindi na naman makikilala ni ba ng katabi niya.
Wala.
First bite.
First bite na.
Yan naman siya sa,
First
ano,
bite.
sa spoon. Sa forky spoon. Nagganyan ka pala kumain. First bite. How's it? Good? Good? Perfect.
Good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.